What's the difference between a low bay and a high bay? Nothing. It's the same thing. Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm here to talk to you about LED high bays, the difference between industrial and commercial lighting. They do have different requirements, whether you're in a commercial environment or industrial, but in many cases they're also the same. We also refer to these fixtures as UFOs, round fixtures. Today, UFOs, high bays for LED don't have domes in most cases. They're available, but they aren't needed, versus a HID metal halide fixture needed a dome because the dome shined the light down because you had a bulb that was shining 360 degrees. With LEDs, the light all shines down. And usually there's an optic that is directing the light, but it all shines down. So a dome's not needed. But if you want one, you can get it. But commercial, industrial. Commercial lights are used where your mounting height is probably not over 30 feet. It's a warehouse, it's a shop. It's an environment where there aren't any extreme conditions in the environment. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's not wet. But all your commercial UFOs are IP65. They come with a nice optic. It can be a 120, 90, or 60 degree optic. It can be a frosted lens. They're all designed to take motion sensors, just be added to them. They come with dimming wires. But what's the difference between a low bay and a high bay? Nothing. It's the same thing, but it just means the difference from an old HID fixture was a low bay didn't have the dome, and the dome, though, was then needed on the high bay. So that was high bay, low bay. Low bay just means low. You're basically looking around 4 or 5 inches in height. We even have ones that are smaller, again, if you want more of a low bay application. But it's great. It'll light up your warehouse, your shop. They are wattage changeable in almost all cases now. So in this case, this is a 200 watt, puts out 33,000 lumen, more than you need to replace a 400 watt metal halide, and go all the way down to 120 watt. And it can be switched in the field. It also supports 4000K or 5000K. We traditionally recommend the 5000K, and it does have the dimming wires. You can get a pendant bracket. Whereas in the industrial fixture, just you can look at it. Industrial means it's a more extreme environment, higher mounting heights. There can be extreme conditions. It can be cold. It can be wet. The fixtures can get knocked. But as you can tell, the fixture is bigger. It can handle getting hit. It can handle more extreme environments. It also comes in many cases, and there are a lot of different wattages. This one's a 300 watt, but we go all the way up to 500 watt. There's a tempered glass lens. You can hit this with a hammer. But again, as you can see, it's much more rugged, bigger heat sink. Again, can handle those environments. You also can get a pendant mount, comes in high voltage, a lot of different options. Usually in an industrial environment, motion sensors aren't required, but we do have versions that will provide the motion sensor functionality if you want that. But you can also put a 90, 60 degree, even a 30 degree optic on this. But this one replaces a 1000 watt. We have some that go even higher, up to a 1500 watt metal halide. But again, it's just the extreme. I mean, this fixture is probably 7 or 8 pounds. This fixture is 20 pounds. A lot more to it. Drivers is inside the junction box, easily replaceable. But again, it's just a monster of a fixture. If you have industrial applications, you definitely want to go this route versus more commercial light. So give one of our lighting specialists a call today. They'll help recommend the right solution for you. If you need a recommendation, they'll give it to you. If you're looking to get a sense of what fixture you need, what wattage you need, they'll help you pick it. They can even run a lighting plan for you to show you what type of light you're going to get, and even give you pictures showing you what that looks like. So give us a call today and stay in the light. Thank you.